Hey Steve, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Talked with you the other day about you were looking for some roofer down in the Raleigh-Durham area, and I told you I sent you this video about your website up there in Pennsylvania, just to show you some things about what what you need to do from a marketing standpoint online. I'll show you what some of your competition's doing, some of the keywords out there, some of the volume and such that you might want to consider. But I just pulled your website up there, Westmoreland, and you guys are doing all commercial roofing and repairs. One thing that we always recommend on your site is that you have 1,500 words minimum on your site, and you guys are way under that on your homepage. And you definitely want to add that because Google's trying to rank you guys in who's the authority in your space. And if you don't have enough content on there, they can't rank you for the keywords that are out there. So just want to show you if I just search commercial roofing Pennsylvania, we've got a couple of people running sponsored ads up here, and that is definitely something that might be something you want to do if you want to be right at the very top. We run Google ad campaigns for companies all the time and really have a good track record of getting you up there at the top and managing that ad spend really well, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Looking at the Google Maps section, you guys are popping up in the map section, which is great. You've got 20 reviews, you've got a 4.6, and you've got some things filled out on your Google business profile that is helping you get there. Adding photos with keywords specifically in them is going to be something that helps you. Of course, those reviews are going to help you as well. So there's probably some optimizations that we could do there to help you just stay in the map section and maybe get ranked even further for other areas. But that's definitely great that you're already there. You want to just continue to be there. So looking out in the organic section, you've got this commercial roofing solutions, and David Maines is popping up, Keystone, GSM, all ahead of you guys on the commercial roofing search terms. So, ideally I want to get you into one of these top 3 spots right here, and I want to show you one of the reasons why you're not. So I dropped your site into a program called Ahrefs that allows me to just see like what's going on, how strong your site is, and what keywords you're being found for. So your site is very, very weak from the way Google looks at it. You've got a 0 on your domain rating, a 4.7 on your URL rating, and you've got 59 backlinks coming through 22 different places. I know you guys have got some backlinks that started back mid-June, it looks like. Those aren't really very strong. They're just not giving you much power at all for what the backlinks that you've got. So that's something you definitely want to look at. If it's something you want us to look at further, we can help you with that. And you've got 4 keywords that you're being found for, which is pretty negligent. You're being found for Forest Hill transfer, not sure what that is, Forest Hill storage, and then roofing contractors, Greensburg, Pennsylvania, and Borders roof restoration. So I know you guys do roof restoration. I know you're in the Pittsburgh area. Definitely some different keywords that you want to be picked up for there. Now I'm going to show you a couple of your competitors' websites so you can see what they're doing. CRS is popping up, and this may not be a competitor that I'm not familiar with the commercial roofing up in that area, but a lot of times your online competition may be different than your competitor actually in the real world. But we're trying to capture that search so that people, as they're searching for commercial roofers, they're landing on your page. So this is what you got to look at. They've got some content on their site that's, starting to rank them. Again, not a lot. They just have, a few pieces that are helping them out, but they've got a better backlink profile, 66 backlinks, 36 to referring domains, and they just get picked up for more keywords. Their site's still not very strong to being in that number 1 position, so I definitely think you guys could overtake them by doing some real strategic SEO. That's what I do. I build your site out to help, enhance it, get that content added, and that way those keywords start getting picked up, and then you've got links built towards it to get that SEO popping and helping you guys get more calls. As you guys know, commercial roofing's, one roof job is going to, set set you guys up really well from just what you're having to do on the advertising front online. Looking at just the keywords that the CRS is being found for, you can see I just sorted this with the word commercial in it. Commercial roof solutions, 150 searches a month. Commercial roof solutions, not roofing, 90 searches a month. Now the difficulty on this is a little bit greater, so these take a long time. Doing some strategic work over the year to start to pop for that. But you can see the searches out there: commercial roofing systems, commercial roofing materials. You may not be selling materials, but commercial roofing specialists, 100 searches a month. And then you've got looks like some different cities there. So those may or may not be applicable on those. There's some search going on in Lancaster specifically. And, just looking at like what are the specific search terms that you want to be found for, but definitely some decent volume on that. Looking at this David Maines and, what their site's doing. Again, they've got commercial roofing, a little bit of content, a little bit more than the other guy. Definitely more than what you guys have as well. And they're serving the whole Pennsylvania market. So let's look at the search terms that they're being found for. Their site's a 16 on the URL and DR rating, 16 and an 8, 155 backlinks. You can see them being organically built over time, which is good. 76 referring domains. So a little bit stronger site. They will probably push up ahead of that CRS site pretty soon. And then let's look at the keywords that they have. So commercial roofing contractors, 1,200 searches a month. Now that's a nationwide search terms, but if you're ranking and you've got your SEO done well for that nationwide search term, it's going to rank really well in your local Pennsylvania market. 0 on the KD, definitely would go after that 100%. Top commercial roofing companies, 250 searches a month. Commercial roof replacement, 2,500 searches a month. 0 in the KD. Man, that's something that you definitely want to go after. Commercial roofing Philadelphia. You guys may not go over there, but 90 searches a month for that. Commercial roof replacement contractor, 80 searches a month. So I just go down through here and I figure out like what are the keywords that are best for you guys to rank for, and then we build a strategy for that. So the 3 things that you have to do: content, number 1, it has to be keyword rich. So we do this research on the front end, figure out what those keywords are, build and write content around those keywords. Get that on your homepage and your other pages so that Google can crawl your site and start to pick you up for that. That's number 1 is the content. Number 2 is backlinks. So this is your other websites on the outside referring into your site. So it might be a roofing trade magazine. It might be a blog out there that we get some content written for. Put that out. It refers back to your site with an anchor text piece that is like, as you're reading it and it says commercial roofing contractors, you click on that and it goes to your site. That's the second piece. The third piece is citations. So this is where you get your name, address, and phone number listed on these online directories. We look at what your competition's doing, and if they've got 20, 30 of these listings, we're going to try to go get 80 to 100 just so that, they're always playing catch up to us and how many we have. And now Google's starting to see like, hey, these guys got a big footprint in a big space. So those are the 3 things you can do to get that built. This is stuff that you can actually do yourself if you want to devote the time to it. We just like to come alongside a business owner because, you're out there roofing and don't want to, you've got a whole business to run. So we really like to help, look at this from a value standpoint. What's the return on this investment? That sort of thing. But I can tell you there's definitely search available for you to go pick up. My name is Paul Heck again. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I do this all over the country, and I would love to help you guys pick up some more work up there in the Pennsylvania market or wherever you're trying to branch out to. You can reach me at 479-326-7899 or paul@grassfiremarketing.com. Thanks.